Let's make broccoli rabe the easy way, which is a big secret, in the oven. This should go in, 25, 30 minutes. You should start this before you're gonna serve. So there is some timing issue involved, all right? But because we're not using the stovetop, which makes a big mess, we're gonna use the oven. This is a secret, okay? You're gonna put olive oil in the pan like this. You're gonna put shallots in the bottom, like this. It's really easy. And then you're gonna put your broccoli rabe. Now this is just rinsed broccoli rabe. Do not be alarmed at the amount. It will shrink. This is gonna roast, essentially. You don't want these big, thick, rugged stalks. They can be very intense, all right? So you're basically gonna fill the pan. You're gonna put more olive oil on it. I remember the dinner party rule, right? If it tastes good raw, it's gonna taste good cooked. So you're gonna salt this. So you wanna make sure that this is edible raw, okay? You wanna kind of stir it around like this, and then you wanna taste a random piece. Tastes pretty good. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon, and a little lemon juice brightens up and makes the broccoli rabe even more piquant. And then I'm gonna put this in a 425 oven for like 25 minutes, and it's gonna come out like I sauteed it, without any sprays of grease and burnt pieces of broccoli rabe that got into the flame and all that stuff. It's a secret, but I'm telling you, it really works. And I have friends who request oven broccoli rabe. Eric loves that. He says, I want oven greens, that's what he calls them. So here you go. Put this in your preheated oven, just like that. And it's already cooking. So there you go. Amazing, easy and no mess. I'm gonna put a piece of tin foil on this, only because I'm using convection because my oven is broken, so I have to use the convection setting. So I'm just gonna cover the rabe loosely with this so that the edges of the leaves don't burn in the hot air. Just literally like that. Click, click, click went the tongs. Clang, clang, clang went the bell. Zing, zing, zing went my heartstrings when the broccoli rabe was done, and many more. I'm gonna take this out. No mess, and it's exactly as if you had made it on the stove, except it's slightly crispy, which is even better. Oh yeah. Broccoli rabe. Frankly, I would eat this entire plate right now, but they'll yell at me because they need it for beauty shots. But this is delicious. And it made no mess, and it's something you can just put in the oven. It's already hot. You can just put your greens. Just try this, because I'm telling you, it'll change your life, because it's not that greens everywhere as they reduce, and you're trying to cook them and they're breaking up and falling in the flame, and so you don't want that. You just want to put them in a pan and throw them in the oven, and you'll get that, exactly as if you cook them in a pan. Broccoli rabe, delicious, nutritious, green AF, and one of my favorite vegetables, bitter, yummy broccoli rabe. Click, click, click went the tongs. Clang, clang, clang went the bell. Zing, zing, zing went my heartstrings when the broccoli rabe was done.